Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So keeping a consistent voice across your videos is key for professionalism, branding and audience trust. Since OpenArt doesn't generate voice natively, you will control consistency through external voice tools and structured workflow. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to keep voice consistency in OpenArt's projects in 2026. So first thing, choose one voice, never change it. So use a reliable AI voice tool like 11 Labs or Play HT. So pick one voice model, one language or accent. This becomes your brand voice. So save voice settings like inside your voice tool. Keep the same stability, clarity, style, exaggeration. Save or note your settings. Even small changes affect the result, okay? So standardize your script style. So consistency is not just the voice, it's how you write. So keep small tone, casual, professional, energetic, similar sentence length, same structure. For example, short, direct, engaging sentences. So writing style means voice consistency. Okay, so control pacing and pauses, like add commas for short pauses, periods for full stops. Avoid long complex sentences. So natural pacing means realistic voice. Okay, so generates audio in one session. Like for best consistency, generates multiple clips at once to avoid spreading across different days or settings, and this reduces variation. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.